Today my topic is sanitation challenges due to bad infrastructure in India. As we know, India faces significant sanitation challenges that impact our health and our environment. Our solution introduced mobile toilet van that collects sewage for own treatment and biogas production. India's sanitation challenges poses widespread health risks and pollution. Addressing these issues are vital for improving the public health and reducing pollution. Rural and urban areas often lack adequate sanitation infrastructure. Our mobile toilet van can bridge this gap by providing flexible location independent.
So here are the importance of mobile sanitation solution. Mobile sanitation solution provide flexible, immediate access to hygiene when the infrastructure is lacking. Toilet van can serve remote or densely populated area efficiently, reducing open defecation and public health indication. This crucial for emergency response, urban slums and regions without stable network, offering and sustainable sanitation services.
Toilet van and sewage treating process. Design and operation of toilet vans. So what are toilet vans? Toilet vans are more commonly known as mobile toilet vans and portable restroom trailers. These are transportable sanitation facilities on wheels. These are designed to provide hygiene. There are various types of toilet vans. More common is accessible unit. These are larger, specially designed portable toilets for easy access. This option, so there was luxurious toilet vans. To talk about more eco-friendly options, so there was bio toilet van. It converts waste into harmless substance.
So after collection, how the sewage waste is going to be treated? Here are the steps. Primary treatment, sedimentation and sludge separation. In primary treatment, sewage is held in sedimentation tanks where heavier solid settles as sludge. The separated sludge is then treated or disposed of. This step significantly reduces the organic load in subsequent phases. Secondary and tertiary treatment include biological and chemical process. Secondary treatment uses biological process to break down organic matter by microorganisms. Tertiary treatment further clean the water by removing nutrients and contaminants using chemical and filtration method. Together, these steps ensure the treated sewage meet environmental discharge standards. Biogas production from treated sewage. During anaerobic digestion, organic waste produces biogas, a renewable energy source primarily composed to methane. This biogas can be captured or utilized for cooking, heating or electricity generation. Biogas production from toilet van sewage promotes sustainability by reducing reliance on fossil fuel and lowering greenhouse gas emissions.
So what we conclude here, mobile toilet vans are helping to solve the sanitation problem in India by offering easy to use and hygienic solutions. Combined with effective sewage treatment and biogas generation, this approach offers both environmental and public health benefits. Adoption of these systems supports sustainable development and goals, improves quality of life for undeserved communities. Thank you.